Hello friends, my name is Christopher.
And I'm Simon.
And in today's very first episode of Gardening with Children, we are starting seeds indoors. A quick disclaimer for YouTube. This is not programming for children, but rather programming for adults with children who want to do some gardening, have some laughs, learn along the way, and have a fun time, right?
Yeah.
I love you, Charlotte.
I love you too.
Oh, thank you. Let's get gardening. Okay?
Okay.
Okay. Okay, all right. Ready? We're going to put it in.
Yeah.
Here we go. So help me. That's good. You want to mix it around a little bit?
Yeah.
Okay.
I want a little bit of help.
A little bit of help. Ready? Like this. Cool. You know what we can do? We're going to add some water to that.
Pour it.
That's right. We're going to... Will you help me pour it? Ready? Here we go. Pour it all over like that. Good. Now can we have that? Ready? I'll get it started, okay? I'm going to mix it in like this, back and forth. It's got to be nicely mixed. Yeah. There. Good. Will you hand me that, please?
Okay.
Okay. Thanks. And then we mix it all
I
together.
will hold this until you get more water.
Thank you so much. Charlotte is 2.5 years old, and she remembers being in the garden with me last year. Already when she was just 1.5, we were putting seeds in, like bean seeds and squash seeds, something real big that she could understand. I'd dig the hole and she'd plop it in and we'd pat it down together. And this year we're upgrading to seed starting inside to get the year rolling. And you're excited about this, aren't you? Yeah. What do you think? Here, I've got this mixture and it forms a nice ball and then it breaks apart. I think that's good, don't you?
Yeah.
How does it smell?
Delicious.
Delicious, that's the word. All right, Charlotte, I'm going to take all of these little trays and I'm going to be filling them up with soil. And then you're going to help me put them in rows, okay? Sound good?
Okay.
Let's get started. So now we're filling these up with the soil that the plants are going to grow in. This gives enough space for roots to form. Do you know what roots are?
Yeah.
What are roots?
Roots need little things that connect. If we are making a caterpillar like these.
Well, you were right that roots are long things. Roots go deep into the ground. They help plants take up nutrients from the soil, nutrients that they need to grow. So, by giving the roots enough space to form, we're making sure that the plant can get a good, healthy start to life. Gesundheit. Okay, Charlotte.
Can I do one? Can I do one?
You get to do the whole thing, absolutely.
Can I do one?
Yes, see, kids, you want to help. Can I do one? Did you hear that? That's a wonderful thing. So we just filled 42 containers with seed starting mix, and today we're planting some cabbages and Brussels sprouts, effectively.
Can I have some?
Sure. Okay, ready? Here. You see these? You feel them? They're real tiny. We're going to put 3 in your hand. Ready? Hold out your hand. Okay, there's one. Put it in here. This very first one. Oh, try again. That's fine. Here. Do you think you can... No. Open up your hand. Good. Now put that in here. There you go. That's 1, 2, 3.
No, two.
You want to try to pick it out of my hands? Can you pick one out of there? They're very small. You did a good job. Go ahead, put that in. Do it again. All right. Okay, I'm just going to move those around. We got more than enough in there. Nice going. See, this is discovery not just for children, but for me too. As I'm learning that her fine motor skills are getting better, she's able to actually pick these tiny, tiny cabbage seeds by herself.
Can I do it, Mama?
Yeah, you bet. Instead of making a hole for the seeds and dropping them in, when I start seeds, I just put them on top and then do an extra layer of soil. It works really nicely. Now we're going to stick a marker in.
Okay.
That way we don't lose track of the seeds. And this is Calabos.
Can I find some too?
Yes.
Can I?
Ready? You want to stick that down? Push it down. Good. Perfect. That's perfect right there. And I'm going to... Oh, leave it there. All right. We got to leave these inside so we don't forget what we have. KC.
I don't want.
Well, sometimes we have to say no. I don't want you dealing with a very stinky, sharp, black permanent marker. But you can help me shove these in. Ready? Push that one down. Straight down. Good. And then we got another one back here. Can you do the same thing? Push it down. Good job. Okay, now we're going to fill the rest of these. Hey, Charlotte.
Hey, Dad.
Did you have fun?
Yeah.
Excellent. What was your favorite part?
Digging some seeds.
Digging some dirt? Digging in the seeds. Yes, you did that. So today, she was able to help me dump the dirt and water and mix it up in the seed starting mix. She helped me scoop it into each of the seed pots. She even helped me put these tiny, tiny brassica seeds in. And I mean, these are the tiniest seeds you can get. So 2.5, already decent dexterity on the fingers. You're 2.5, yes. Put them in there. She was good at patting these on, and she helped me put the name tags in. So literally every single step of the process. At 2.5 years old, there's really no reason you can't get your kids involved, and they have so much fun. So much fun, right, Charlotte? Right. Go ahead and let me know what you think we should be doing in another Gardening with Kids episode, and maybe it'll come true. And in the meantime, if you like this video, you know what to do. Until next time, see you later. Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.